In this video, I'll show you how to write ad copy with Claude AI quickly and easily. This is a simple way to generate promotional text for ads, marketing campaigns, or product promotions. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create ad copy. For example, I might type, "Write a short ad promoting a new fitness app." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate ad copy with a headline, promotional message, and sometimes a call to action. If I want to customize the ad, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the target audience, tone, or platform. For example, I might type, "Write a Facebook ad promoting a fitness app for beginners." I can also ask Claude to create multiple versions of the ad so I can compare different styles. Once the ad copy looks good, I can copy the text and use it in my advertising campaign. And that's it. I've successfully created ad copy using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.